Hey guys, it's Remedy and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but I do want to get back into posting more regularly. I've been posting a lot more on my Instagram, but I still haven't gotten back to posting regularly on YouTube yet, so hopefully that happens soon. Anyways, so today I'm going to do a Dutch fishtail and low bun hairstyle. So first off, I've already kind of like sectioned my hair into a little side part, and then you take the top section right here, just like a little triangle, and you split that into two. So this is how you do a Dutch fishtail. And then you have your two parts, you hold it in one hand, and you take one section of hair. Hopefully you guys can see, my hair is kind of dark. You take one little section of hair and add it to the outer section, just a little part, and then take that outer section, loop it under, and add it to the other side. So take a little bit of hair, add it to a little bit from this side, loop it under that strand, and add it to this one. And then just keep continuing doing that. So as you can see, I'm starting to kind of incorporate some of my hair from this side of the head. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here. I still have some hair that is unbraided, but I'm going to just leave that, put it in a bun. So I'm going to take a bobby pin and put it right over the braid to kind of secure it. I'm going to take another bobby pin and cross hatch that. I'm going to just take a scrunchie, and this is my favorite way to just do low buns. This way, it's so simple. I do it all the time without the braid, and it's literally just so easy. It takes like 5 seconds. So once you get the hang of it. So what you do is you kind of take all your hair, put your scrunchie on your wrist, and kind of form like a claw. Gather up all that hair into that hand, pull the scrunchie over to kind of form this loop, and then with this hand, grab all of that remaining hair, and then twist, and then grab that bun that you formed, wrap this loose hair over, and just pull through. And then I just kind of bunch it out a little, and yeah. That is literally how I do my buns like every single day, and it's so simple. If you like, you can like pull and bobby pin, but I think I'll just leave that. And then I'm going to pull just a little bit of hair to kind of loosen it. Way too well, but I pull at like the little outer sections of each fishtail, kind of like so, to kind of make my braid look a little fuller and bigger since my hair is so thin. There, and that's how to do my easy Dutch fishtail braid plus everyday low bun. Whatever you don't like, you can always just kind of pull at and fix with bobby pins. And it's quite simple and fun to do. Okay, so see, I have this little strand here. So all I'm going to do is just fix it with a bobby pin. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see next. Bye, thanks for watching.